Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about top MCA colleges in district Pune. Guys, MCA it's a technical course where you are learning about programming of the computer, coding of the computer, and if you want to pursue MCA, so you must pursue from top colleges. So these colleges are have very good infrastructure, well developed computer labs, and they are also recognized by AICTE, that is All India Council of Technical Education. They are also NAC graded. They are affiliated to Savitribai Phule University, and these colleges also provide very good placement to students. So let us begin guys. First college, so first is Savitribai Phule University. इसे सब कोई जानते हैं. इनका जो कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट है, it runs MCA program, that is master. It is situated at Ganesh Khind, Pune district. In MCA they have total 40 seats. Guys, Savitribai Phule University, it was established in 1949. It is NAC A plus graded university, and Department of Computer Science in this university, it was started in 1980, and they have also placement cell. Through that MCA student can be recruited. Now next college is Jayawant Institute of Management Studies. It is situated at Thatwade, Pune, and in MCA they have total 60 seats. It is run by Jayawant Shikshan Prasarak Mandal. It is NAC A graded college, and it has also 6 different campuses. It is also recognized by AICTE, that is All India Council of Technical Education. It is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University. They also provide placement to MCA students, and recruiting companies are Accenture, Avion Technology, Infosys, Bajaj, HDFC Banks, and many more recruiting companies are there. Next is Allard Institute of Management Sciences. It is situated at Hinjewadi, Pune, and they have total 45 seats in MCA program, and it was established in 1999. This particular college is NAC graded institute. They have high-end computing system, fully equipped library with Wi-Fi enabled campus, and they have also placement cell through which students of MCA can be recruited in different companies. Now next college is Vidya Pratishthan Institute of Information Technology. It is situated at Baramati, Pune, and they have 60 seats in MCA. It is also a NAC A graded institute, and it was established in 2000. They have network lab, language lab, and with 5 different computer lab. This particular college also provide placement to MCA students. Now next college is Progressive Education Society Modern College of Engineering. It is situated at Shivaji Nagar, Pune, and they have total 60 seat. It is also a NAC A graded institute. Guys, ये NAC क्या है? हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं NAC ग्रेडिंग की. सो देर आर 7 पैरामीटर्स जिसके बेसिस पे कॉलेज को ग्रेडिंग दी जाती है. अगर कोई कॉलेज C ग्रेडेड भी है ना, तो भी वो कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा होता है, बिकॉज उसके पास NAC ग्रेडिंग तो है. बहुत सारे ऐसे कॉलेजेस हैं जिसके पास NAC ग्रेडिंग नहीं होती है, एंड 7 पैरामीटर्स होते हैं जिसके ऊपर कॉलेज को जज किया जाता है थ्रू नेशनल असेसमेंट एक्रेडिटेशन काउंसिल, एंड इट इज़ डायरेक्टली लिंक टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, एंड इट इज़ रन बाय प्रोग्रेसिव एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, एंड दिस society was established in 1934, and it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University, and it also have well developed computer lab, and they also provide placement to students in companies like Tata Consultancy, Jaro Education, Josh Softwares, and with the salary package of 6 to 7 lakh per annum. Now next college is Institute of Industrial and Computer Management and Research. It is situated at Nigdi, Pune, and they have total 120 seats in MCA, and it was established in 2002. It is also approved by AICTE. It also have well developed computer lab. It is also affiliated to Savitribai Phule University, and if I talk about placement, then this particular college provide placement to WebTech developer, Aloha Technologies, Blue Flame Labs, and many more companies are there. And salary package which student get over here is 3 to 6 lakh per annum. So this is also a very good college in district Pune. Now next college is Indira College of Engineering and Management. It is situated at Parandwadi, Pune, and they have total 60 seats. And this particular college, it is run by Sri Chanakya Education Society. It was established in 1994. They also have very good computer lab facility. And this particular college, it is NAC B++ graded college. For MCA student, they provide 100% placement and with the salary package of 3 to 7 lakh per annum. Guys, this particular next college is Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. It is situated at Nigdi Road, Pune, and they have total 60 seats in MCA. And this college is also NAC A graded college. It was established in 1999 and it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University. It has 3 computer labs, fully Wi-Fi enabled campus it has, and it is also having very good infrastructure as you see in this picture. Now next college is Singhad Technical Education Society, Singhad Institute of Management. It is situated at Vadgaon, Pune, and they have total 240 seats. In this institute, MCA course was started in 1996 and it is also a NAC A graded college and it has excellent ICT enabled facilities. Now next college is Bansilal Ramnath Agarwal Charitable Trust, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. It is situated at Bibwadi, Pune, and they have total 60 seats in MCA program. And this particular college is NAC A+ graded college. It is a excellent college for MCA and it is also a AICTE approved college and it was established in 1975. If I talk about recruiting companies to MCA student in this college is Wipro, Accenture, TCS, Tata Technologies, Microsoft and many more. So if you want to get admission in this college, then you need to give Maharashtra MCA CET exam. For that you can join us. Now guys, next college is Maharashtra Education Society Institute of Management and Career Courses, IMCC. It is situated at Kothurud, Pune, and in MCA they have total 60 seats. It is also a very good well developed computer labs. So guys, this is all about top MCA colleges in district Pune. If you want to pursue MCA, then you need to give Maharashtra MCA CET exam. For that, you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581455. We have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manvaredu.com for MCA entrance. You can also follow us on our social media handle for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.